What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to bring you all a smoky eye tutorial with a twist. As you can see, there's a bit of glitter on the under eye. And for today's products, I'm going to be using the Shayla X ColourPop Round 2 Collab. So this collection bundle comes with a 9-color eyeshadow palette, 2 pressed powder blushes, and 2 lip bundles. Okay, so I'm just going to be providing, here's a swatch right here to see, for y'all to see how it looks in flash and also all together in like one shot under flash. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, please be sure to continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. We're going to jump right in. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Full Coverage Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12.5. Okay, so this palette, it comes with 9 shades. As you can see, it looks messy because I swatched it. But I am going, let me take off this mirror. I like the mirror, it is very clear and stuff, you know. So, what am I going to start off with first? I think I want to try a smoky eye because I haven't done a smoky eye before. I mean, I've tried and I failed. So I'm going to go into the shade Gloves On. It's like a shimmery black. Let me see. I'm just going to start at the base of my eye. Just stamping the product in. I don't think I should use this brush. I think I'm going to use this brush, just a regular e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Yeah. There we go. I'm going to take the e.l.f. blending eye brush from earlier. And I'm going to not add any product. I'm just going to diffuse the edges of the shade Gloves On. Just for like a bit more blackness towards my lash line, I'm going to take the NYX retractable eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm just going to drag that across my upper lash line. I'm going to take the Morphe M149 brush and I'm just going to drag that up the eye a bit so that it's blended into the shadow. Taking this brush from my Amazon brush set, I'm going to go into the shade Maintenance, which is this kind of like a brick color. Just going to lightly go into that and then use that to drag across the edges of my upper crease, diffusing the black. Next, I'm just going to take this brush from my Amazon brush set and I'm going to go into the shade Culture lightly. And I'm just going to dust that on top, above Maintenance and below my brow bone. So for foundation, I'm mixing 2. I'm going to be taking both shades of my Fenty Beauty in the shades 450 and 430. And just to blend it out, I'm going to be taking the body sponge from Real Techniques. For concealer, I'm going to be mixing 2 as well. I'm going to be using the concealer from earlier, the Makeup Revolution C12.5 concealer, and also the NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer in the shade Deep Golden. So Deep Golden is going to go on first as just to conceal my under eyes and like my face and stuff, and then the Makeup Revolution concealer is going to be there to brighten. Again, and to blend that out, I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques body sponge. I don't know why I keep calling it the complexion sponge. Ooh, get into my edges. It looks so cute. For contour, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Espresso Match Sticks. I'm just going to take this angled buffing brush from Amazon just to buff it in. Taking this e.l.f. eye crease brush, I'm going to go into Espresso again, but lightly, and use that to contour my nose. I take it from my brow and bring it down slightly.
Just a quick pause. If you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell for notifications on future uploads. Back to the video.
You already know, to set my face, I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier concoction. It is both shades of the matte loose setting powder from Laura Mercier and a bit of ColourPop's no filter setting powder in the shade translucent, just for a tinge of yellow. I'm going to take this what's it called, this e.l.f. powder brush, and I'm going to go into the It's My Ray by BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to go into the shade Brownie Bite and use that just to lightly set my contour. So to sweep away the excess powder on my face, I'm going to be taking the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the shade Cocoa with my lovely dollar store kabuki brush. I love it so much. It does the damn thing. It does what it's supposed to do. Just buffing everything in. Now, for my under eye, I'm going to be lining my waterline with the NYX Retractable Eyeliner in the shade Black from earlier. I'm also going to tight line. So taking this pencil brush from my Amazon brush set, I'm going to go into the shade Caution, which is this matte yellow right here. And that is what I'm going to use to run on my lower lash line to soften the black. I'm just stamping it under first. I don't think I like this brush. I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Small Precision brush. That's better. I'm going to sweep that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take this brush. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but I'm just going to use that to soften the edges on the outside of the yellow. So the lashes I'll be using today are the AliExpress lashes in the style E11. They're nice and fluttery. And I am just going to use, unfortunately, I'm going to have to use Duo Lash Glue to apply it. Like, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my god. I hate this lash glue. Alright, so for blush, I'm going to be taking the Shayla X ColourPop pressed powder blush in the shade Construct. I didn't get the pink one because I feel like it was a bit too light for me. So I'm just going to dust this across the apple of my cheeks and kind of bring it up a bit. Yeah, for highlight, I'm going to go into the ColourPop Innuendo palette and I'm going to go into the shade Fine Line. I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So I got this gold glitter liner from Sally Beauty. I'm just going to apply that on top of the yellow under my eye. Just for a little bit. Ooh. For mascara, I'm just going to be using the NARS Climax mascara. So to line my lips, I got the, what is it called? I think it's the slow down lip bundle. So I got the shade BFF4 as a lip liner, because when I tried out BFF3 from Bretman Rock's collab, it didn't really do anything for me. So I'm gonna try out this and see how it works. It's definitely dark enough. The other thing I hate about ColourPop's lip liners, I have to sharpen them. I don't like things I have to sharpen. I'm lazy. I like to just retract and go about my business. I don't like things I have to sharpen. It irritates my soul. So I'm gonna swatch both my favorite. So this is my favorite liner. It's the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. It is the perfect dark brown for me. I use it for every lip color. It doesn't matter what it is. It's being used. Okay, so that's Molasses right here. And I'm gonna swatch BFF4. Okay, so BFF4 is a bit more red. It's lighter. Okay, so this is Molasses and this is BFF4. As you can see, BFF4 is a bit more warmer, whereas Molasses is a bit more like neutral, you know? So it'll work. I'm just gonna have to buy a sharpener, which is kind of annoying. I don't like to use, I don't know how to explain it, but I really hate sharpening things. All right, and next I'm gonna fill in my lip. Let's pray that this is not too light, okay? If anything, I feel like I'm just gonna have to fill it. Let me just fill in my lips a bit more with BFF4. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me blend it. This is not me. I don't know. I just don't like. This is not me at all. So what are we gonna? Oh, I keep thinking I could. This is retractable. It ain't for me, boss. But can you mix a glossy lip with a smoky eye? But yeah, this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.